those of you who are new, my name is Jacelyn and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another curly hair video, and the video that I'm going to be doing is on one of the curly hair methods that have been out for such a long time. But honestly, I personally have never tried it, and I don't know why I've never tried it, because it's so easy and simple to do, and it's actually, I think, one of the first curly hair methods that came out. So it is the Rake and Shake method, and it was created by the hairstylist named Audid, and I believe she's the first hairstylist that catered to curly hair. Her business is based out in New York, and I know she has videos on how to do the Rake and Shake method, and she has like a page where she talks about the Audid cut and all that. So if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and link her information down below. But yes, so that is what the video is going to be for today. If you guys want to see how to do the Rake and Shake method and how to get your hair looking like this, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and already applied my leave-in conditioner, which is the Not Away leave-in detangler that I've used in my previous video. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into 4 different sections, and I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll show you guys what products I'm going to apply to do the Rake and Shake method. Next product that I'm going to use is the Curl and Style Milk, which I am like running really low on, so I'm going to try to get as much as I can out of it. And I'm just raking it all in through my hair for this section, and I am going to go into smaller sections when I do the Rake and Shake method. So for the next product, I'm going to be using the Miel Honey and Ginger Styling Gel, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this product because I really don't want it to create a crunch on my hair. Okay, now that I went ahead and added that product, I'm going to go ahead and insert in smaller sections. I don't really want my curls to be really chunky. So I'm going to go ahead and rake and shake. And let go. I'm going to grab this piece right here, and I'm just going to rake it through my fingers. And then when I get towards the end, I'm just going to go ahead and shake it all out to create that curl. It says it's supposed to give you defined curls, and I know this is like a really old method, but honestly I've never tried this method, so I wanted to try it out and see if it really does give me defined curls. So here's another section. I'm gonna rake and then shake, rake, and then shake. Look, I'm creating curls in my hair. And then let go.
Thank you.
Rake and shake. Calm down, mama. Excuse me, mama. Rake and shake. And last one, you guys. And this is how my hair looks, just raking and shaking. I really want to scrunch up my hair because I am so used to doing that, but since it's just a rake and shake method, this is the only thing I'm gonna do. So the bottom half is done. Moving on to the top part of my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate like my little bang area, or kind of like crown area, because that's the part that I usually do facing my face. Alright guys, so we are now towards the front of the face, toward the top of the head. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do this. I've done it in previous videos exactly how I styled the front of my hair, but I'll just show you guys again just in case you guys, this is your first time. So I'm just going to grab a section, and I'm going to go ahead and rake upwards, and then when I get to the tips, just shake it. Shake it upwards. And then push back. That way I won't have a part. I can part it whichever way I want when it dries. So rake, shake upwards, and back. shake. And now I'm just gonna do this last section right here. Rake and shake. Alright. Alright you guys, so this is how my hair turned out just doing the rake and shake method. And you guys, I know this is a very old method, but honestly I've never tried this on my channel or tried it at home. I've always done scrunching and I've always done the denim brush, the finger coiling, but I wanted to go ahead and give this a try just to see if it really does give me defined curls. I mean, probably back in the day when it came out, it probably did give you really defined curls because they didn't have any other methods back then, but now we have so many different methods. I'm kind of seeing a little bit of definition now, but so I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry first for a little bit, and then I'm gonna diffuse it, and then I'll be back to show you guys my final thoughts and opinions on this method and see if I like it or not. So I will see you guys in a bit. Alright you guys, and this is the final product. So I expected it to come out this way. I knew my curls were going to be looser. They weren't going to be as defined as the other methods that I've done before. But honestly, for a really fast method, I think that this is a really good, easy method to do if you guys are on the go. Just because the finger coiling and the denim brush may take a little bit longer. So this method I would do if you guys are in a hurry. Like, I probably would do it if I'm in a hurry, but I prefer the other methods. But honestly, I like it. So as you guys can tell, right here on the bangs, my curls are a lot looser. Usually when I do the other methods, my curls are tighter. And a few pieces around the top of my hair are looser. And then a few pieces like in between, in the middle of my hair, are tighter. And that's just my curl pattern, my curls. I have different curl patterns throughout my hair. But like I said, I like it. I do have a lot more volume because the curls are a little bit more stringy. Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror right here that I have all the way over there. But my curls are a little bit more stringy, but I do have a lot more volume, so I definitely like that. So comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on this method. Did you guys try this before? I mean, if you're watching my video and you have curly hair, you probably have because it's been around for such a long time. But if you haven't, comment down below and let me know. Let me know if you'll try it or if you want to try it. I recommend it because it's fast and it's easy and you really don't need much to do this method. So yeah, so that is it you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big what? Thumbs up. Also you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below or right here. My little face icon will pop up right there. And most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you guys don't miss out on any more of my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye loves. Mwah.